If you're a parent, the idea of keeping your baby safe while they sleep is non-negotiable. And that's exactly what the Owlet Dream Sock promises: real-time oxygen monitoring for peace of mind. But does it really prevent SIDS or just feed anxiety? At $300 and FDA cleared, used in over 1 million homes, the Dream Sock claims to alert you if your baby's oxygen levels dip too low, but the reality is more nuanced. The previous version, the Smart Sock, was pulled from shelves after a 2021 FDA warning highlighted risks of false alarms and inconsistent readings. And the Dream Sock's De Novo Class 2 clearance doesn't magically guarantee safety, it simply shows it meets certain technical standards. Not that it prevents SIDS. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, home monitors like these have not been proven to reduce SIDS risk, and normal deep sleep oxygen dips in healthy babies can trigger terrifying alerts, sometimes sending families rushing to emergency rooms for babies who are perfectly fine. While the Owlet app is sleek and data-driven, parents need to understand that it's monitoring trends, not predicting sudden infant death. Some users report helpful reassurance, while others experience constant stress from notifications, making the device as much about managing parental worry as actual risk prevention. The price tag is significant, and while Owlet provides a well-built sock and clear instructions, the actual protection it offers is limited. This is not a substitute for safe sleep practices like placing your baby on their back, using a firm mattress, and keeping the crib free of loose blankets or toys. Overall, the Owlet Dream Sock can be a useful tool for tracking sleep patterns and oxygen trends. But it's important to separate the tech hype from reality. Understand what the device can and cannot do, and rely on proven safety practices rather than expecting a gadget to prevent SIDS.